Hi, I'm back again with another makeup tutorial, and this time around I'm gonna show you guys a look that I'll be creating using this palette. This is the Pat McGrath what is it called? Dark Star Eyeshadow Palette. Right, so I got this during the week of quarantine or movement control order in Malaysia. There was a 40% sale on all Pat McGrath items on Sephora My, so I just had to get one just to add to my collection. Right, so it is a cardboard palette that opens up like this. Okay, 6 colors. They're actually quite large pans. This color really caught my eye, to be honest. It's actually dual chromatic. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna do my base makeup off camera, and if you guys want to see that, I'll link it down below because I'll be using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. So I've done my face makeup and except highlighter and powder blush. I've done my brows and I've set my eyelids with concealer and setting powder. Now to use this, I would highly suggest that you do your eyes before you do your face makeup because there's a lot of fallout, especially the dual chromatic one. It's got some really fine glitter, so it's just gonna like mess up with your under eye area. But what I'm gonna do is, I actually forgot about that before I filmed this, but what I'm gonna do is just take my Laura Mercier powder and just like bake my under eye. I'm gonna show you guys some swatches first. That's how it looks.
This one, they're quite similar, but I think this one has a slightly pink undertone, and this one is definitely gold. Crazy pigmentation.
This one, my favorite shade of this palette.
Oh my god.
This is matte.
It doesn't swatch so good, but it works well on the crease.
So this is satiny.
It's really pigmented.
Shadow. It's very matte.
This one swatches really well, even first time that I swatched these.
So first shade I'm gonna use is this.
See that? That's like so pigmented. So I'm just gonna apply this back and forth like a windshield on my crease. Just like that.
The next shade that I'll be taking is the Star of the Show, this one. So from the inner corner, I'm just gonna like drag it across like so. Pencil brush and pick this up.
So I'm just gonna fill this up first.
This gold shade. So that's 4 eyeshadows. This shade, and pop it in my inner corner.
Right there. And
So this is pretty much the eyeshadow look. I'm gonna finish off the eye look with liner and lashes, and I'm gonna come back and finish the rest of the look. So I'm gonna do blush. I've actually applied a bit of the lipstick that I'm going to use for this look on my cheeks, which is this one from Urban Decay. I've applied a little bit here before I set with the powder. Now I'm just going to like top it off with a bit of powder blush from Zoeva, this shade. And I'm gonna be applying my favorite liquid highlighter. This is from Lana Cosmetics.
I'm gonna blend that. So I'm just gonna put it right here.
Look at the effect from this glow getter. So pretty. Like, it's dewy but it's not too much. It's not glittery. That's why I love this. I don't know if the code has expired or not, but if it hasn't, you can use RH Lana 10 on their website to get 10% off from your purchase.
Like I said, I use this on my cheeks. I'm going to be using this on my lips quite a lot, and just like...
I'm going to top it off with the... just in the center like that. Gorgeous. Right, so I think this is it. It definitely has that galaxy theme going on. So yeah. Right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and I hope you give this look a try. So I hope to see you guys in my next video. Take care and be safe. Bye.